I'm happy for you, bro.
Come on, cheers. Wow. Thanks, bro. You know, there's this joy, this feeling I always have whenever she's around me or whenever I'm around her. Okay? She always makes me to forget that I've had several heartbreaks. Yeah.
Wow, that is chemistry. And you can't fight it, bro. You know, I don't know if you still remember last time I told you when you had a heartbreak with Lovett. I told you come over it. And I told you last time that if the right person comes, you feel it deep inside you. You know, that time you were like, oh, I will not fall in love again, I will not fall in love again. And I was like, look at this man. When he will fall in love again, he will not even remember the past. Can you still remember the past something?
But that is how it is, you know?
Yeah.
Now your own comes next after my marriage.
My own. Okay. No, you don't hear about Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel. Let the beautiful one locate me. In Jesus' name.
You're expecting me to say amen? Or what? Look at who is
amen.
praying. When you have two girlfriends, you think God answers that kind of prayers? No. It's in your hands to choose one and make the person a wife material. The Bible says, he that findeth a wife, findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor from God. So you're going to find.
Pastor.
And God will bless for
Pastor.
you.
Well, my guy, you don't know. You don't know what I will pass through all this while. You know, they say the place where we are shoe. And you know when the pain and most. I don't collect my own share.
You know, you don't like always sharing anything about your relationship with me. The last time I told you about this, you wanted to fight me. Yeah.
This boy, they didn't forget something though. I'm telling you, they didn't forget something. Bro, I don't mind to try check your wife's friend. Yeah, that girl enter my eye. I swear.
Make you don't enter your eye. That one is married. Yes, you better remove your eye off that woman. Yeah? Come in. Hi. Sharon.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. Hi. Where is Ibeh?
Oh, she's in the kitchen cooking, I think.
Okay. I'll go meet her in the kitchen.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Meet my friend, my childhood friend, Romeo. Romeo, this is Sharon.
Sharon.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Brandon, I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay, yeah. Romeo, you're my wife. Who is she? She's a human being. Romeo.
It took so long, Mama.
Yeah.
It took long at the market, so.
Yeah, today is general market day, so the crowd was so much.
Oh, okay. Go put the foodstuffs in the kitchen. I'll come and prepare the food, okay?
No, don't worry, I'll do that.
No, Mama. I'll cook this time, okay?
Why are you bothering yourself? And besides, I've been the one cooking in this house before you came in. So let me do the cooking, right?
Mwaka, I will do the cooking. I hope you don't have a problem with that.
I didn't get some of the things you asked me to get in the market.
Why?
I changed my mind, so I had to buy other stuff which I will use to prepare vegetables for Stanley. You know the one we have in the fridge is finished, change. It's his favorite.
Mama, did I tell you that I didn't know that the vegetable soup was finished? Or you think I don't know what I am doing?
Ejiro. Please. I can't wait any longer. If she comes back with the food, let her eat it. I'll get something on my way. Madam, I beg, help me greet it before us. Yeah?
I don't know why that girl, the right, is fond of wasting time anytime she goes for an errand. And I was telling madam, let me go and buy the food though. Yet, she sent Dorothy. That useless girl. I don't know what is wrong with that girl. Eh? Don't worry. Yeah? When she comes back, she will see punishment. Yes. That girl. Wow.
I'm so sorry I took so long. Went to the kitchen to drop it was on fire.
I already helped myself.
Okay, so I can take my water back.
All done. I don't know why you're giving me attitude. It's not like I have done anything wrong to you. Honestly, I don't know why you are acting up. Because I haven't done anything wrong to you. The only wrong I'll say I've done to you is being your brother's wife. Honestly, you are... Why do you dislike me? Honestly, why? You know what? You can take the food. Because I can see you want to take my place. My husband is just your brother. You cannot marry him. Or better still, I'll leave the house for you. Yes, no, since you want to marry your brother.
Who wants to stay with you guys in this house anyways? Yeah, who? Look, if you want to leave this house, the door is wide open. You know what? I don't even care about you. Because ever since you got into this house, my brother stopped giving me attention. Waka.
Onny? Mwaka! Onny? Onny? Mwaka!
What happened to her?
I don't know.
What is it?
What happened to her?
I don't know. She was eating while I left.
Let's take her to the hospital. Let's take her to the hospital.
Ebube.
Ebube.
Ebube!
Ebube, please.
Ebube.
Let's take her to the hospital. No time for
Ebube!
Ebube.
Wait. I saw my sister just here. Am I dreaming?
I don't know what this person.
Let's go.
Mama, wake up. Please wake up. Welcome back, my sister. Forgive her for whatever she has done. Please. She's still your daughter. My sister. Please welcome her back.
Stop disturbing me. Stop disturbing me because of your sister and you. Allow me to rest. This too. Mama, good afternoon, Mama.
Shift! Where do you think you are coming to?
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mama. I know you are very upset with me for running away from the home. Mama, please, forgive me. I know that I'm a disobedient child. Please, Mama, I'm sorry. Don't see me like a stranger. Still see me like your own daughter. Please, Mama, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, Mama.
Nkiru, just thank your stars that today is your lucky day. I am only forgiving you on one condition, and that is because of your sister Ebube. I saw her in my dream now. She asked me to forgive you, and because of her wedding that is coming next weekend. If not...
Yes, Mama. I even saw her while coming. But before I could stop to call her, she ran out of my sight.
You saw who?
I saw my sister Ibeh.
Ebube?
Yes, Mama. I saw her.
You don't know who you saw?
Mama, I saw Ebube. Don't I know my sister again? I saw her.
You know your sister, but hunger. Me looking at you, you are hungry. Hunger can make one to see things that are not real. So, wait. Let me check on that woman that sells Mama Poo so she can give you something to eat. Then you can get yourself.
Mama, I'm not hungry. The only thing I want is your forgiveness, please.
I have forgiven you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. So, you go and check that woman for me. Eh?
Okay, I'll do that.
I missed you, but I did not miss your stubbornness.
I missed you so much.
I didn't miss your stubbornness, but I missed you. Wait, please come on. Chika. Hello, Chika. How are you? Why are you crying? What? Who? Ebube! No! It's not true! It's not true! It cannot be! It cannot be Ebube, no!
Hello? What? You're crying! What happened to my sister? No.
What did she say?
It can't be.
Ebube, one. No.
No. You shouldn't have done that. How can you break such news to Mama? You shouldn't have done that. It's too sudden.
You didn't expect me to have kept something as serious as this away from her?
Who's talking about keeping it away from her? I'm not saying you should keep it away from her. I'm just thinking about the heartbreak. Have you forgotten that she's alone? Eh? Who will be there to console her when she starts lamenting? Oh!
I'm sorry, but I never thought about that. I was just moved to call her.
I'm just imagining her state right now. I'm just imagining how she'll be feeling right now. I hope someone is there to console Mama.
Nkiru is there. Let's see. Ibeh's younger sister, Nkiru.
Nkiru that left home 3 years ago. I don't know what to say.
I'm not exaggerating. She was the last person I spoke with when I called the mother.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Hey! Ibeh! My best friend! My sister! Just like that.
She just left us.
Ibeh!
This is still shocking to me. Madam Ibeh dead. I don't believe this one. I don't believe this one. What has she done to her sister-in-law? That we make her poison her food. Why? This thing pained me. I swear to God. It pained me. Just imagine. This weekend was supposed to be her wedding. Hey! That her stupid and wicked sister-in-law just killed her just like that.
Don't do. I think say una be strong person. See as water they come out from her eye like say they open tap. No strong go. No only Dora. Na him strong for this show. You don't do.
Mati, you need to understand. No be way Ibeh dey. Ibeh is a nice person. She's too good. She doesn't deserve to die.
I don't know why bad things always happen to good people. I don't know why.
What is life for you?
Don't do. Don't do before customer go come meet us with this kind of. We go pursue them away. We go think say here na where dem dey do burial or something. See, now I tell you two of us. The thing pay me past 2 of una sef. E pay me because my plan to go there go chop dey satisfied don scatter. I don miss my food, miss my drink, even my bread, even 2K wey I suppose beg for that place. I no see again. So na me e pay pass. E pay me well.
Dorothy, you no be better person.
I swear.
You no be better person.
I swear. And if you talk that rubbish again, I go slap this your mouth, Your face go bend to one side. What talk na dey open eye for me? Na me kill the person. Where you na dey go? Na dey go inside what? I mean, no na leave me, no be me kill am. Which kind like this one sef? Wetin concern you? Beg. Make person dash me 2,000 sef, ma go drink it.
Ebube Nwam, what did she do to Nwaka? That Nwaka poisoned her. My daughter was not a troublesome woman being. I know about that. Why did Nwaka kill her?
Mama, you're right. I can attest to that.
calm yourself, please.
Hi! It's okay. It's Nkiru here. I know she is troublesome. I know she is stubborn. But Ebube. Ebube mama dera choku. Please, please. It's okay. It's okay. I should not shout, I should not cry. When I lost a daughter that is so dear to me. So dear to me. Please. It's okay. Please.
Stop it. We are here for you. We are here. Please. Sharon is right. We're both here for you. Please. No be this one that they talk, now they do me here. No be this one that they talk, now they do me here. Oga Stanley, or whatever you call yourself. You better go and bring my sister back to life. Go and bring my sister back to life. Else, a tooth for a tooth. A life for a life. And death for death. It's okay. It's okay. You should be consoling Mama, not what you're doing now. It's okay.
Yes. Behind the police custody. Have her hearing in court. She will be sentenced to jail.
Police custody. That one no enter me at all. You see that judgment? It no enter me at all. Go and bring my sister back to life. Go and bring her back to life.
Wait. You people came to console me that Ebube is dead. Are you people serious? That Ebube is dead? You came to console me? Hey! Chimo! Akisibo Amaka! Chimo! Chimo Kisikbeki Yeremen! Hey!
I must commend you for, standing by your friend. You have really done a great job. He's better now. He's in a better place now.
Says who? Stan is in a very moody state as I'm talking to you right now. I think you need to come and see him. It will help, seeing us around.
I don't want to go to that house.
Why? Do you have any best reason?
I feel like going to that house, Ebube was my best friend, more like my blood sister. So going to that house will remind the husband, he will start remembering his late wife, and that is not good for him. It will make things worse. So I don't want to go there.
Well, I really understand you. I get your point. But Stanley, I know, need people around him, those that loves him. At least it will help him to come out from depression. Just try your best. Once in a while, just stop by to say hi to him.
I can only go there when you're around. At least with your presence, I'll feel comfortable.
Sharon, you know I have a lot to do. You know I have a lot running around for. Stopping there will delay my movement.
Come on, Faith. You're the boss of your own. You can actually, you have your own business. You do your things. You can actually manage your time the way you wanted. So no excuse. No excuse.
Okay, Sharon, it's
no
okay.
Excuse.
It's okay. Before you start fighting.
I'm a good girl. I don't fight. I'm a good girl.
Don't worry. I will do my best to be there for him. No, I'll always be there for him.
All right.
Okay.
We will be there for him.
Yeah, we will. Okay. Take 5. Bro, my man, you're not looking good. It has been 8 days your wife passed away, and you're still looking like this. Bro, you have to buckle up. You have to put yourself together. You have to move on. You have life to live. Please.
Romeo, I just wish my wife didn't die. I just wish she's alive with me so we can create memories together. Romeo, I have never been myself since she passed on.
Tell me, what do you want? I know that, bro. Your sister has been sentenced to jail. Is that not enough for you? What else do you want? Justice has been done. What else do you want? Please tell me.
I know. I don't just know. What do I do? I don't just know.
Please, you have to take care of yourself, please. Sharon.
Romeo.
Thank God you are here.
Stand it.
I'm really tired. Can you imagine? This man have not eaten anything since yesterday. Sharon, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I'm not a pastor. And I'm not a counselor. I've been talking since yesterday up till now. Look at him. Look at my friend.
Stanley. Stanley. Starving yourself is not the best. You're doing yourself more harm than good. It is not healthy. Please, you need to eat something. Please.
Sharon, that's why I need you. That's why I need you around. At least to make food for him, to help me. Sharon, I'm tired. I can't continue like this. And he will not continue like this. He needs to eat. Please, Sharon.
Exactly the reason I said you should be here. I don't even see the reason you should be wasting money in a hotel. Stay here with your friend. Be by his side. He needs you now more than ever.
I know I have no choice but to always be here for him. And I will do that. But I need your help too. I can't do it all alone. Please try to be coming here once in a while. To help. At least to clean the house, cook food. Please, Sharon.
I'll try.
Come on, please. Don't tell me you will try. You have to take it as a duty. I think for the sake of your friend and me.
Alright. But not always.
It's okay. But just promise me you will always be here for him.
Of course.
Thank you, Sharon. Okay. You can go to the kitchen and prepare something nice for him to eat, okay? Okay, Sharon. I have to leave now, okay? Stan, please take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself too.
Yeah, I will. Okay, man. See you.
What do you want to eat? Anything, just mention it.
I don't just have appetite to eat.
I'm a very good cook, so I'm going to cook you something very delicious. You cannot resist it.
All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say no one is to be trusted. Everybody is a suspect, so be careful you give your trust. Cause some friends can be your enemy. If any man knows, hey.
Waiter!
If any man knows,
Waiter!
If any man knows,
Listen, this man called you to give him an opportunity. Say you don't have. Do you hear me? But you can't stop us from doing our business. Has he ever told you that this man, if he gets drunk, he will be in the steering driving home? Eh? Do you know how risky that is?
But that
is none of my business. You can't come here and deprive us from attending to customers.
I will sue you if anything happens to my husband.
Sorry, I didn't know it was your husband. I'll do as you see. Sorry.
Thank you. I'll be watching you. Don't give him any drink, even if he's saying drink. Don't. Are you hearing me? I'm watching you.
Wait, I'll go with your money.
Yes, sir.
Boss, get me one more bottle, okay?
Sorry, sir. Our drinks are finished. We have any.
For real? Then what are you still doing here? If it is finished, then you go home. Pack up and go. Anyway, what's my bill?
Okay. Sir, your bill is 9,000.
Okay, this one and the previous one I took.
Yes.
Yes. Hi.
All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say no one is to be trusted. Hey, everybody is a suspect. So be careful who you give your trust. Cause some friends can be your enemy. If any man knows, hey, egu anatozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. If any man knows, egu anatozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. But no matter what, nothing is hidden under the sun. It must surely unveil. One day the truth will triumph. Hey. All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say no one is to be trusted. Hey, everybody is a suspect. So be careful who you give your trust. Cause some friends can be your enemy. If any man knows, hey, egu anatozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. If any man knows, egu anatozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. But no matter what, nothing is hidden under the sun. It must surely unveil. One day the truth will triumph. Hey, now so life will be. Oh, hey, hey.
Hello? Are you at my gate now? Okay. Give the phone to the kid back. My friend. I allowed that young lady in, okay? Yeah, allow her to come in. It's okay. Hello, Sharon. You know my other phone and the wallet that I forgot somewhere? Yeah, the lady who picked it is here to give it to me. As we speak now, the person is in the compound. Yeah, I'm fine. No, you're free. You're free to come at any time. It's your house. You're free. I'll call you back. Yeah, come in. How are you? You're welcome.
Here is your wallet and your phone.
Wow.
You can check if everything is intact.
This is for real. No, you don't have to talk like that, okay? How else am I going to trust you? Someone who picked my phone worth of 400,000 naira and the wallet containing some huge amount of money. So how else do I trust you? Thank you so much. Please sit.
Sir, I notice you're going through a lot. They said a problem shared is a problem half solved. What has been bothering you? You can talk to me.
Wow, thank you so much. Try to be a good girl, okay?
I'm always a good girl.
I believe you. Okay, so high school.
Fine, we just finished exam.
Oh.
Hey, Romeo! What's going on? What's going on? What is happening here?
Sharon.
Eh? No, don't shout me. Look at you! What are you doing with this thing? Eh? Romeo, at the time you're Juliet. What are you doing with this fool? Eh?
Sharon, are you here to embarrass me?
Oh, you're the one embarrassing yourself, my friend.
What's wrong with you?
Something is wrong with you. You don't get sense. You don't get sense. Eh? You leave salad go the chop abacha. You don't get sense. You know, your head no normal. You no normal at all. Look at you. You no get you dey holler. I dey talk, you still dey holler. You dey crazy.
Sharon.
Eh?
You left your home and you're here to embarrass me?
And you are here speaking English. Look at you. Eh? Fake Romeo. I was supposed to be your Juliet and here you are with this. And you, come here. You are supposed to be in secondary school. You are supposed to be in secondary school. But you are here following somebody that is old enough to be your father. Very soon they go scatter. Get up. My phone should put for now.
Sharon.
Yeah? Small girl, big girl, what is that?
Sharon, that's all you are here to do.
What you are here to do?
Is that what you are here to do, Sharon?
Abeg, go sit down for poto. Look at this one while they manage. You come back from abroad, I think say you get something, nothing come out. You don't get package, you don't get anything. Eh? If you leave person like me, they follow that guy, they chop shit oh. You they chop shit, you don't get package, you don't get anything. Abeg, come on. Rubbish. Fake Romeo. Idiot.
You have been through a lot.
You see, my wife is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I thought we could live our life together, grow together, have our kids together, go to places, some beautiful places in the whole world together. Live a happy, fulfilled life till old age. But all this ended in a fantasy. See, that's why I'm so disorganized. Because my heart is not healed yet.
I am so sorry for your loss. Your wife must have been an amazing person when she was alive.
Yeah, she was. She was.
The man got married to a girl he loved so much. And the girl loved him as well. Their love was so strong, they became a strength to each other. One night, the man got a call from his ex that she's in town and she don't have a place to stay. The man discussed it with the wife. She innocently agreed if it's just for a night. The lady came and she spent the night there. The following morning she went to, take care of what brought her to town. She came back. But this time around, the wife was not comfortable anymore with her. The wife asked the husband to go and get her a hotel far from their home so that she can go there and do what she came to do and leave from there. The husband said, no, it's just for the night and it's too late for her to go. The wife said, okay, but she was not happy with the decision. The following morning, the man was found dead. And the woman owned up to the crime. And she narrated how she loved the man. And the man ended up breaking her heart by marrying another woman. The wife couldn't forgive herself for a very long time because she could have stopped it from the beginning if she had refused her husband from bringing her in the beginning.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
You know, your story and that of that couple is a bit similar, but a little different. It's very painful and emotional, just like yours.
I pity the poor woman. I just hope she has overcome all this.
Yes, she has. The wife of the man is the one telling you the story, right here. And
you mean you?
Yes, me. Glory.
Oh. Don't look like the person who has experienced all this.
Yes. Just because I don't allow my past to gain control over my present. What good will it do to me if my past take over my present? It will only make me sad. So what good will it do to you if you allow your past to affect your present? It will take your happiness from you. Listen, Zach, you can stop this. Okay? If your wife had to be alive, she will not be happy to see you in this mood. You are hurting yourself the more. You need to be happy. You need to be strong, okay?
It's okay. Thank you so much, Ibeh.
Glory, my name.
Oh, Glory. Thank you so much. You're free to come around anytime you want, okay? Just feel free.
Thank you. Have you eaten anything?
Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless, she can do anything for the money, and always ready for trouble. Hey, she know the fear face, oh. How I holla too much, oh. Trouble for her body, and she no send any.
So Romeo has a girlfriend this time. I had the guts, the effrontery to talk to him. He schemed his way into my life. Anyway, what do I care? I'm only following him because of his money. I'm going to hell and go to that she's for all I care. You. Rubbish. Eju, I'm handing this entire shop to you. Take charge. Take care of it. I want an accurate account because I'll not be coming to the shop as usual. I'm preparing for Ibeh's burial, okay? And as for you, Dorothy, yeah, you are dancing. I've not even said anything, you are dancing. Eh? Eh? Stop misbehaving. I don't like this. Eh? Who do you this to? What is your problem? By the way, I got your report. I've not had time to address it. I don't know the reason you should be disrespecting you, Rita, your senior. What is your problem? If you don't bring yourself low, put your head down and concentrate, you're not going to learn anything from this shop. You won't learn even one thing. Eh?
I have told her that severally. I don't know what's wrong with her. Eh? Okay. But madam, I don't they catch up small.
They catch up. You think this is a comedy show? Eh? You are here to do comedy. Continue deceiving yourself. Listen, I don't want to hear that you destroyed another person's wig like you did the last time. Don't try it.
Madam, it's not my fault. No, Rita for someone. Which Rita? Maybe I told you to give me that money. Let me go for the errand for you. Say no, that you want to pay no. So, madam, when the customer come, no sir, be better picking. So I say make her hair so that we don't lose her to another person. I don't want to lose our customer. See this girl, madam, don't mind her. I'll back your hand. She came with an excuse that she's having running stomach when I wanted to send that message.
It's okay. Thank God that the Ichiro is here. And you know her very well. You know what she can do. If you like, misbehave. Eh? Anything when you say that, what will you get?
Madam, I will behave well.
I'll be on my way now.
Take care, yeah? Alright. Take care, ma'am. Madam. Madam, take care, yeah? Alright. Madam, I'm not trying to listen at you. Madam, I want to bring bread and 2K. Let's have the chop bread. Now, take this one, make the respect himself. I'll be asking you. I'm not the good.
Hi.
Hi. Mr. Stanley. Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Are you?
Good. Good.
That's you. You're looking good compared to the last time.
Yeah, you can say that again. You're right.
So, what are you doing here? Are you here to drink?
I'm here to find you. And I can see I'm lucky.
Oh, I remember. I told you that I used to come here to sell my products. Yeah.
Products? What products?
Oh, I sell perfume, hand sanitizer, supplements, and other good products.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Good to hear. You told me you're going to come 2 days ago, but you failed.
I'm sorry, sir. I had supplies to make in 4 major places, so I couldn't meet up. Please, just pardon me.
It's okay. It's nothing. It's okay. It's okay. So, what are you doing here all alone?
I'm here to sell my products, you know? I can see 1 or 2 customers that are personalizing.
Okay. They say I'm here for you to do me a favor. I want you to spend the weekend in my house. Okay? You know, talking with you on the phone makes me feel that I'm talking with my late wife. Yes, your presence around me rejuvenates me. Okay? Please, I would be so honored to have you around me by weekend. Spend the weekend in my house. Deal?
So.
I want to talk to you.
Okay.
What is your mission here?
What mission are you talking about?
See this one, Pretender. Pretender! You think I don't know what you're up to? Eh? I know your mission here. And I promise you, that mission must fail. You should be ashamed of yourself. You met a man a few days ago and you're already in his house to spend the weekend. Ah! Is that how loose you are? Is that how cheap you are? I'm ashamed of you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at what are you here for? As his wife, his girlfriend, fiancé or what? Since you came here, he has taken all the attention away from me and transferred it to you. My advice to you is to go elsewhere and get yourself a man, because you are pouring water into a basket. It will not work. Stanley is already taken. You see that your charm? That your 2 naira, 1 naira charm. It will fade very soon. It go fade. I mean, they tell you. It go fade. Rubbish.